They call it the IdeaPad Gaming Chromebook, and in this video, let's unbox it. Now, the reason I wanted to review this laptop was the price point. I've yet to review a laptop at this price point really ever. This is under $500 on sale right now at different vendors. The retail price was about $530 when it came out. But if you want to check live pricing, I'll put links in the description below. If you do make a purchase, I'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. So this is something I was very curious about because, first of all, I'd never reviewed a Chromebook, so I'm really curious how Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and creator apps will work on it. And second of all, I want to find more budget-friendly options. I'm doing a series about the cheapest laptop on Amazon right now. That's another one you might want to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on. And I'm seeing if the cheapest laptop on Amazon can run creator apps. That is to be found. Now, this is a 45 watt-hour charger block. Nice small package. This is an i3 laptop, so it's going to be a low-power laptop. But we'll see if that low power has enough performance for creator apps. I'm going to go ahead and check out the build quality and the usability of this laptop in this video specifically. So far, this is feeling really good for a budget-friendly laptop. We have an aluminum top cover, which definitely passes the tap test. Thin and light. Looks like it has great assembly. I mean, I'm pretty blown away by this laptop right now. I think right now I saw the sale price of about $430 for this laptop. I mean, this thing looks great. Nice large vent along the bottom cover. Connectivity seems a little bit slim from the right side panel. We have a USB Type-C, USB Type-A, and then on the left side panel we have a micro SD card reader, headphone jack, USB Type-A, and another USB Type-C. So besides the micro SD card, which I wish was a full-size SD card reader, it's got good connectivity though, slim connectivity. This thing looks great though. All right, let's do an open and close test really quickly. Looks like you're gonna need two hands unless you like to shake it off. So let's see, two-handed open. Yep, two-handed open. Nice 16-inch screen. It opens up to 180 degrees, which is nice. So you have that flexibility of wherever you're positioned inside of a coffee shop, on an airplane, in a classroom, you have nice use of your screen. All right, so logging in for the first time, the screen looks great. It's a nice bright panel. It's a 16:10 aspect ratio. Like I said, for like $430 on sale, roughly $530 retail, this thing looks great. We have a numpad on the right side, full-size keyboard, nice size trackpad. The keys have a nice, like, soft, plush push to them, but they got a good snap back when they release. Medium key press. I'm really liking it. It's a quiet keyboard. It's really nice. The trackpad feels good. Trackpad feels really nice as well. So, I mean, looking like a great laptop here. I'm guessing that this is a vent along the top because we should have our speaker. Oh, no, that might actually be our speaker. So we'll do a full audio test during the full review to see how these speakers sound up top. You have max audio. Oh, yeah. Now, it does come with a webcam, and the webcam has a manual cutoff switch. Here's a quick sample of the video and the audio so you can see what it looks and sounds like. This is the webcam on the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming Chromebook, and a little sample of the audio for you as well. Do a quick screen flex test. Pretty good. Aluminum top cover, got a little bit of bow to it, but overall, that looks really great. Man, I'm impressed with this little budget-friendly laptop. If you're unaware, Lenovo sent over 3 Lenovo Legion 5 Pros to give away once we pass 100,000 subscribers. So you're definitely going to want to subscribe and share this video out so more people subscribe when we get to 100,000 quicker and can kick off the giveaway. Now, let's go ahead, flip the laptop over, check if we have any sort of upgrade path on this budget-friendly laptop. As we pull the bottom cover off of the laptop, you can see we have access to the 69 watt-hour battery. You see that our RAM is soldered to the motherboard, so no RAM upgrades for this laptop. The airport card, however, for Wi-Fi is upgradable, and you do have access to an M.2 drive. Now, give me a second to talk you through this. If you do purchase this laptop, I want to make sure that you can make an upgrade because this only comes with the 128 gig SSD. Now, this says here that this is a 2230 M.2. However, if you look at the schematics here on my laptop, you can see that the 2230 is actually 1.18 inches long. I don't know if you can see that but just this, you can see the different size. This is actually a 2242 M.2. It's 1 inch and it's 1.66 inches long, or 1.7. Okay, so that's the length of the drive. Okay, so if you're going to go ahead and upgrade that SSD, make sure you get a 2242 drive. Now, how you can do that is you can go to Amazon. You can see here, if you type in 2230 and you scroll down to the bottom, you can check the length of the drive, 1.18. However, 1.18 won't fit the distance from the socket to the post where you screw it down, okay? So you wanna make sure you get the 1.17, or better, more specifically, the 1.66. Now, here's another Sabrent drive, same thing, but it's a 2242. We scroll down to the bottom of the listings page, and you can see right here in the dimensions, it's a 1.7 inch in length, and then 0.86 in width. That's the correct drive that you're looking for. So you're looking for a 2242 SSD. I would definitely recommend upgrading this 128 gigs because you will rip through that really quickly, especially if you're using this laptop for creative work. So that would be the upgrade that I would make to this laptop. You could upgrade the airport card if you would like. However, you will be unable to upgrade the RAM. So your best upgrade is going to be the SSD inside of the IdeaPad Chromebook gaming laptop. Links in the description if you're ready to make a purchase. Likes that this video has brought you some value. And don't forget to subscribe so we can reach 100,000 subscribers and kick off the giveaway. I'll see you here in the next video.